BBC Worldwide asked me, Colin Furze, creator of the hover bike, the jet bicycle, the world's fastest mobility scooter, to create a new ride for the Stиг. So we took this old piece of junk, we've turned it into this. Now what I've done, I've put a 600cc sports bike engine in this wonderful 1960 Stodgems. But these are all insignificant facts, because all we want to do is see it move. Let's have a go. You think I know what to blame, I love this machine! Now, I built this bumper car for Top Gear and for the Stиг to drive, but I think we can set a world record in this thing, because this is fast. So, I've got my record adjudicator, and we've got Stiggy boy. But there is an issue! Stig's covered under BBC insurance policy, so I've had to make him this. This wonderful safety roll hoop thing. It kind of reminds me of something. Anyway, you go and look after the timing and all the technical stuff. And then Stig, if you want to give me a hand on touching this to the Dodgem, and he's walked off again. Right, let's set a world record. Here he comes! Come on, we want to see a big score on the board! So remember, it's an average of both directions, and there is a lot of wind today, so he's going to go slower this way because that's into the wind. So he's got 107, you know, we want to crack 100 miles an hour, so we want to see at least do some maths, and that number, 93, should do it, just about, maybe. Surely that should be good enough! Whoa, look at that! 100.336! Yes! Yes! Look at this! Look at this! World's fastest bumper car! Just over 100 miles an hour!
Colin and the Stиг, you are officially amazing!
Brilliant! Look at that! Another one stick on the shelf. Hey, our Stiggy boy, happy with that? Nothing! Of course not! No emotion! Now, if you want to see how I've made this, click on the link box, and of course, check out the new series of Top Gear. That's in the other link box. But there we are. That thing's fast. Let's rock. Come on, Guinness lady. Leave old Stiggy boy there to Stig away.
Oh.
Just, look, he's doing his Stig thing, look, he stares. You just can't stop him, can you? You can't stop him.